So hello and welcome to Accelerate Academy. So we are again back with a new course, that is the chemistry chapter wise summary and cheat sheets for boards exams. So this course is designed especially for students who want to revise the concepts regularly before the exam, and it will help you to summarize the score, and summarize the whole chapter, and it will definitely help you to boost your score. So let us see the insights of this course and what we'll be covering in this course and what are the features of this course. So let us move on. So first comes the purpose. Okay. So the purpose of this course is for last moment revision before the exams. Short, to the point, and relevant stuffs to be summarized and handwritten, and it is handwritten and made by gathering exam experiences of various students and teachers. So yeah. So let me elaborate on these topics. Like see, every like the chemistry books, the for mainly the organic chemistry books are very like thick and tiresome to carry. So what we have done is that all the important portions according to the scope of CBSE and ISC, we have summed it up in a video in a piece of paper, not in a like, single piece of paper, but like 2 to 3 pages. And when you study the entire 2 to 3 pages, you will get an idea, and though actually those questions will actually come in exams. So that is important for last minute revisions, and when you want to revise like in a span of like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, you don't have much time to revise. So though at that time these notes will be very important, so short and crisp notes are important. So it's a cautionary note for you guys. This is only for revision purpose and not a guaranteed method to get very good marks, but it will definitely help you to get a 90 plus in your board exams. Okay. So yeah, see, there's no shortcut to study. So if anyone is claiming that he'll be providing a shortcut for studies, that's not going to happen. We need to study from the book at first, and then what we can do is that we can make notes, which makes your work easier. We can summarize all the important things. See, everything is not important in the book, right? So you need to read only the relevant stuff. So we can help you with these notes, but if you think that studying only these notes will get you a full mark or a 99%, that's not going to happen, right? So this is only for revision purpose and is not a guaranteed method. So you need to study the book at first, and then you can, for revision purpose, you can use those things, and for last moment study tips. Okay. So this is the thing. So that's a note. Okay. So let's move on. Students generally forget organic chemistry due to lack of revision and do not revise as they have not taken notes in the class. This course is definitely for the students who are willing to revise in a short yet effective way. So yeah, so there are many students like who see the lectures and see the videos on YouTube, like they are not like keeping a note copy in front of them. So it is not the scientific way of studying. So you should always keep your book and your copy in front of you and take notes. So since there are many students who are not taking the notes or are not able to make good notes, so we are there for you guys. So we have made notes in a very effective way, and in the very way will be teaching in the class. So if you cannot make notes or if you cannot jot down the points properly from the video, then no, not to worry, we are there for you guys, and that is the thing. So please follow up our playlist, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we have that playlist there, and if you want to contact us regarding exam preparations, books, and other materials or stuffs, so you should contact us through our website, and we have our app upcoming. So please download our app from Play Store, and you will have a great experience there. Thank you.